see here, you can copy and simply paste it, but I don't need it. Hello, so assalamu alaikum and welcome back to another video. Hope you all are doing awesome, and today we are here with a brand new video. I know we are pretty much late, but as you know, we all have some work to do, so that's why I came late, but as always I came with something different. So for today, अच्छा वैसे आप लोग ये सोच रहे होंगे इसको कौन सा आज अंग्रेजी का कीड़ा चढ़ा है तेरे टूटी फूटी, तो देखेंगे गाइस आज का ट्यूटोरियल ना थोड़ा सा वो टफ नहीं है, तो इसलिए ना मैं ट्राई करूँगा कि हम इंग्लिश में इसको कन्वे करें ताकि हम देखें कि इंग्लिश पे क्या रिस्पॉन्स आता है, क्योंकि काफ़ी ज़्यादा लोग हैं जो इंग्लिश वाले हैं जिनको उर्दू समझ नहीं आती। तो अगर आपको मेरी इंग्लिश समझ आती है तो आप बता सकते हैं, क्योंकि इस ट्यूटोरियल में ऐसा कुछ है नहीं है कि आपको समझना ही पड़े, विजुअल से भी कॉपी करें तो चल जाएगा। तो इसलिए मैंने कहा ज़रा इसको इंग्लिश में कन्वे करके देखते हैं कि कैसा रिस्पॉन्स आता है। वो लाजमी बताइएगा कि नेक्स्ट ट्यूटोरियल आपको इंग्लिश में चाहिए या उर्दू में ही। सो लेट्स कंटिन्यू, एंड दोज हु डिडंट अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट आई जस्ट से, आई वाज जस्ट आस्किंग to other speakers. Today I'm conveying my tutorial into English language, so that's a pretty much new experience for me also. So without any hesitation, let's continue. Today we are going to give you an Eid gift. Those who doesn't know, Eid is our festival, so we'll celebrate it. So I'm gonna celebrate this festival with you guys, and I'm giving you Eid. So in this CD, it's an exe or application, or you can say anything. It's an application which you can use to unpack the game files, the PUBG Mobile game files. As in our previous tutorial, we have covered Game for Peace, Mortal Kombat, Forza, etc., etc. But we have left the PUBG Mobile because it is too pretty difficult, and yes, we also have covered the Free Fire. Those who haven't watched that video, you can find that video in description. Go and check it out, okay? And now we are going to unpack the PUBG Mobile packs. So you guys pretty much have knowledge how to get packs from game. If you don't, just you can tell me in the comments so I can create a short tutorial and upload it. So due to it, I have eaten too much, so I can't barely speak. I can. So let's continue. Firstly, I will show you. Okay. So give me a minute. So guys, you're easy. Okay. So here, what we have? We have our pack files. Okay. And we have our exe. Okay, so we are gonna execute this exe to unpack our files. So how this gonna work? So let's just figure it out. So firstly, whenever you will run this exe, first thing first, you need to install Python. It's the 4.1 version, 4.10 version of Python you have to install. And as I have already installed it, so one of my friend, while I was testing the tool, I just asked him to go and try this, and we install the Python in his PC. So I have that video, and I will add that video so you can check it out what steps you have to do. Okay, so let's continue. Firstly, I have to remove my device, so I will come back in just a minute. You will get this exe. These are just some packs of PUBG 4.4. So to test whether the tool is working or not. Ignore this, guys. This is something naughty. So firstly, you have to run the tool. Okay, whenever you will run the tool, you can see error came and it just shut it down. So you're thinking that you should have to worry what happened, but guys, this is nothing. Let's figure it out how to solve it. So to use the tool, firstly you have to have an internet connection. You can access the tool because this tool works something online and might be possible. We will update it to 4.5 or maybe we will post another tool for that. Okay, so we are just planning that, but we haven't figured it out what we will do. Okay, that's the future, so we will stay in present right now. So firstly, you can find this file also in description. Okay, to took the license, you just have to go here and press cmd and enter, and after that you have to uh, copy the name and then type python python and then the name. Okay, so whenever you are running this for the first time, so you have to install some modules, maybe not, or maybe more than one, or maybe one, but the common module you have to install is, I think, wim or something like that. I will add a screenshot. python python and control v. Okay, so after running this you have to press the enter. Okay, and you got your stable id. Okay, you have to just copy that id and have to send me this id to my dm, and after posting this tutorial, like first 24 hours, I will be 110% available anytime. You can send me the key. Maybe if I wasn't, then there should be electricity issue. First thing first, you have to give me this id. Okay, then I will give you the permission so you can use the tool. So firstly you have to give permission to myself, and now you have to wait for about 2 to 3 seconds. After my confirmation, you also have to wait for at least 5 seconds, because to update the database, like database contain too many IDs. So to configure the tool, like to have to configure what it have to do, so you have to wait. I know you can. So now I think we have to run the tool. So I have run it, and yes, you can see our tool just start up. Okay, so you can see here, like Tom is one of my friend, like one of my best friend, and he has a big credit to create this tool, because I think if we like go in percentage, 90% of the work has been done by the Tom. So we will have to give credit to Tom. Now you have to enter the login here. Okay, so again we have to allow your hardware ID, and also we always can remove your hardware ID from the database. Okay, so now you need the ID pass. So like from the beginning to end, I can add the password anytime. Okay, you just have to see video clearly. Now what we are gonna do, so let me enter my ID and password. Like I will show you the username, but password you have to get it from the video. And after entering the username, you can see the username here. Okay, and you have to press enter, and then the section of password came, so you just have to add the password here and enter. So you can see the login successful and use role limited and access status is active. Okay, that was our limited account which I'm giving to you, and I'm also giving the premium account. First 3 will get the premium access, and if this video cross about 5,000 views, then I will give away the premium account also. Okay, so now what to do? Now you have to find the directories in the section of download. Okay, so let me show you the directories what it will create. Okay, this will create this type of directories. Okay, so you have to place your pack under the section of this packs Tomax Rajpoot. Okay, Guys, I'm recording my tutorial first time in English, so I'm becoming confused. I'm getting nervous, so you have to bear it. So let's go to our tool. And yes, here I'm gonna tell you another thing. The tool I'm giving to you, you can unpack I think 3 to 5 times a day. I'm not really clear, but I will like mention that in description. And you have limitation that you only can unpack a pack which is lower than 15 MB or equal to 15 MB. Okay, you can't unpack any bag which whose size higher than 50 MB by this ID password I'm giving in this video. Okay, so for this you have to access the premium account. And again, if the video reach 5,000 then I will give away the premium account also. Okay, so for now what to do? Now you have to unpack the files. Okay, click one and unpack, and I again click one, so just ignore it. And now select single pack. Obviously you only have one option, or go back, then one. Now you have two packs. Okay, so let me show you. First pack is 24 MB and second one is 9 MB. So if you remember, here we only have limitation to unpack like less than 15 MB. So we will just select 2 to unpack our second pack, and now you have to wait. No, it has unpacked all the material. Unpacking complete. Location you can see here, you can copy and simply paste it, but I don't need it. So you can see here you have this unpacked data here, like you can see what it is. These are uassets, and then you have to use the u model to like further configure what to do. So I think our tutorial just end. Now this is time to show you the password. Okay guys, so where is the password, man? Yes, you can see the password. That's the password for my public, for my YouTube public. And again, if video cross 5k views, then I am going to give away the premium account which you can use to unpack every pack. So let me give you the demo. Okay, now guys, if we go to the section to unpack, and we will go to select our pack, and what if now we press 1 and it will unpack it properly. But if with hold count, it will not. It will show you the error that you only can unpack less than 15 MB pack. So the tool is processing, and yes, like it has unpacked everything again at the same directory. So let me see guys, here you can see the unpack has been done. Now I think we have to end the tutorial now. So guys, lastly, Eid Mubarak to everyone, and hope you have enjoyed this tutorial. Now I need you to give me feedback about this tutorial, like we have to again do our tutorial or convey our tutorial in English or in Urdu, so which is more sufficient to you. And also this is my first time to speaking English in front of the public, not in front of the public. I have already done this before in university, etc., in speeches, but I most of the time I know the pupils are sitting in front of me, and I know which caliber of English I have to speak, because English is not my native language, so I have to struggle while speaking it. So now I need your feedback on my English also. And also, if any English guy is watching this video, I need you to give me feedback like to which thing I have to focus more to improve my English efficiency and pronunciation. Okay, so inshallah we will came with another demanding and trending tutorial and inshallah some few days. So signing out from Rajpoot Editz. So take care guys. Okay, Allah Hafiz, and inshallah we will come with another better tutorial.